Hi guys, I hope you're all keeping well and safe. Welcome to Early Years Matters TV. On this channel, we focus on everything early childhood related. And if these are the kind of videos you're looking for, what you have to do is subscribe. And not just subscribe, turn on that notification bell so that whenever a new video is being dropped on this channel, you'll be the first person to be notified. Today, I'm going to talk about further studies options with a degree in early childhood care and education. Yes, today I'm going to be looking at the further studies options with a degree in early childhood care and education. Do you have a degree in early childhood care and education, or you're about to finish your degree in early childhood care and education? Weighing your options that, okay, after a degree in early childhood care and education, what other further studies can I do? So this video is for you. Don't go anywhere. My last few videos, I've looked at career opportunities in early childhood care and education and why should you do a degree in early childhood care and education. Perhaps you've watched those videos and you're thinking that yes, early childhood education is for you. Okay, you want to think of what other options are available in relation to further studies after your degree in early childhood care and education. You need to understand that early childhood care and education is broad. This is what people sometimes don't understand. They come in, oh, early childhood, it's broad. When we're talking about early childhood, we're talking about dealing with children from birth to 6 or from birth to 8. So can you now see that this is broad and huge? So you might be thinking that, yes, after your degree in early childhood care and education, what else can you do? So this is the area where you have to specialize. Like I said, early childhood care and education is broad. So you need to now specialize and see that, okay, what area are you so much passionate about, or what area are you so much keen about? If you look at in the area of early childhood, everything is all about learning through play. Maybe as a result of supporting children's education through play in early childhood, you're thinking that yes, you love play, you want to know more about play. You'll be focusing on further studies on play. Yes, so that could be enrolling in further studies to become a play therapist. So if it's all you want to do is to support young children through play, and you're thinking that yes, your degree in early childhood care and education is not going to be enough. Maybe you don't want to work in preschool, you see yourself aiming at doing something better. And maybe you think that yes, you want to actually learn more about play. Because when you look at it, studying for early childhood care and education, it's all about promoting the children's learning through play. But there are other modules that you're going to be doing as well. It's not just focusing on play. Maybe then after your degree in early childhood care and education, you thought that yes, you like to focus more on play. How can you use play to support the children's holistic care and education? So you'll be enrolling for further studies and become a play therapist. So this could be an area that you could focus on, or you want to focus on. So you want to learn more about play. So definitely you'll be enrolling for postgraduate studies, become a play therapist. Further studies could be to do your master's or graduate diploma in early childhood care and education. Yes, if that yes, you go for a managerial position or you want to go for a leadership position in early childhood care and education. So you'll be enrolling for postgraduate studies, graduate diploma in early childhood care and education, or master's in early childhood care and education. So when you enroll for a master's in early childhood care and education, for example, you'll be digging more deeper, you'll be advancing your knowledge in relation to early childhood care and education. And you have an option to conduct a research. So into this research, it could be you focusing on an area that you're so much passionate about. For you, it could be parental involvement in early childhood care and education. For someone like myself, I'm so much passionate about family support, parental involvement in early childhood care and education. How can I support parents of young children? Not even only parents of young children. I'm digging deeper into how can I support immigrant parents in relation to how they can maintain their children's early childhood care and education. So one could be about play. So what is that area that you're so much passionate about? So for your master's, you'll be conducting a research in this area, deeper into this area, conducting, for instance, a quantitative study that will require you to do a survey or a questionnaire, or a qualitative study that will require you to do interviews, case studies, or focus groups. So if you enroll for a master's in early childhood care and education, so you'll be digging deep the area of early childhood, and you're going to conduct a study in relation to an area that you're so much passionate about. This is one area of further studies that you could engage in. Perhaps you want to become a primary school teacher. Then you'll be doing further studies in professional masters and primary school education. But it depends on the context of the country where you're based in. For example, in the Republic of Ireland, if you want to do a PME, we call it for short PME, professional masters in primary school education, you need to have an Irish, you need to have an honors in Irish. So if you are that person that you think that yes, you want to be in early childhood care education, you want to be a primary school teacher, so you'll be looking into further studies in PME, professional masters in primary school education. And if you don't have Irish, it means that between the space of 4 years while you're doing your degree in early childhood care education, you need to enroll to do an honors in Irish, because it's a criteria that you need to become a primary school teacher in Ireland. To become a could enroll in specialized certification. Yes, you could enroll in specialized certification, special degree in early childhood care education. There's one thing that you need to understand, that you continue to continuing professional development. Is not just settling for less, saying that yes, I have my degree in early childhood care education and that's it. No, you need to engage in specialized certification. Do you want to be a Montessori teacher? So you will be engaging in relation to being a Montessori teacher. In relation to special education, this is to be looked at on the surface in your degree in early childhood care education. So you could want to maybe dig deeper into special education. So you could do a specialized qualification in special education. So these are in relation to how you can support children with special needs education. Next video, I'm going to continue in relation after a degree in early childhood care education. Hi guys, subscribe to this channel. Subscription is free, and not just subscribe, turn on that notification bell so that whenever a new video is being dropped on this channel, you'll be the first person to be notified. And until I come your way next time, stay safe and mind yourselves for now. Bye.